This is Jeremy from JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com once in a while. So today we'll be going over the Rolex Datejust 36mm Oyster Steel and Everose Gold. The case for this watch is an Oyster 36mm Oyster Steel and Everose Gold. The diameter is 36 millimeters across from index to thumb, and the bezel is fluted with the classic look of the Datejust 36mm, as you can see. And the winding crown is a screw down twin lock double waterproof system, which can be rotated counterclockwise to unscrew. If pulled out one notch and rotated clockwise, the date can be adjusted. If pulled out one more notch, it stops the second hand, and the minute hand can then be adjusted. Pushing the crown in starts the second hand, and screwing the crown back in will ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. The movement for this watch is perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding. The caliber is 32-35, allowing plus or minus 2 seconds precision per day after casing, and it allows for up to 70 hours of power reserve. The dial for this watch is of a rosé color set with diamonds on the 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions with 24 diamonds and in 18 karat gold. The bracelet is a Jubilee style 5-piece link bracelet across with polished middle sections and brushed outer sections. The clasp for this watch is a folding oyster clasp with an easy link 5mm comfort extension link. It can be undone by simply lifting the top of the crown to open the clasp, and the bottom can be readjusted under the bottom of the crown to allow for specific sizing, as seen here. Putting the watch onto my own wrist. My wrist is generally smaller than most, so it fits rather loosely on me. However, it is very comfortable, and due to the Jubilee style bracelet, it feels very smooth to the touch, and it feels very nice. The date can be seen very easily through the Cyclops window. The crystal is made with a scratch-resistant sapphire, and the Cyclops lens is placed right over the date, which can be very easily read at a glance. Overall, I would recommend this watch to anybody who needs a bold look with the rose-colored gold, but not too obtrusive of a watch face, such that it can actually fit very nicely under a suit cuff while still maintaining the time and style.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.